something I've done before, but I want to try it out. I want to use a bit of spinach and banana and try and make you a pancake to see how it comes out. Yes. So just watch and allow us to try this together. So I'm going to go ahead and blend banana together with the spinach and milk first. After blending our mixture, so this is what we are. This is what I'm going to use as the liquid option for my pancake. Then, so just put this aside for now. I'll go ahead and add 3 cups of oat flour. So this is what I am. The reason why I prefer this, it's rolled oats and it's wheat free, doesn't have any wheat, and it's a naturally gluten-free option for those that do not really need to maybe gluten allergic, and even from research, gluten is not necessarily very healthy for us. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. I'm going to use 3 cups. Adding salt, I'm going to go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So before I add our wet ingredients, I just go ahead and start with the baking powder and the salt evenly mixed. So after evenly mixing the flour, go ahead and add the wet ingredients. That was spinach, banana,